So we are back at assignment number 29 and we are continuing with our lines and angles. And our topic for today is angles at a point. If you look at the diagram here, you can see very clearly that all the angles are formed with this as a vertex. So we can say that there are four angles which are being formed and they are all with the vertex, a single vertex which has been marked here. When I add all these angles, it's supposed to give me 360 degrees. So keeping that in mind, we will move to a problem that we have done in our exercise book. Let's look at the question first. This is question number 22. In the given figure, lines PQ, MN and RS intersect at O. That means all this line PQ, then MN and RS, these are all straight lines, but all of them are crossing at the point O here. When I look at it carefully, I can see that the line RS is a straight line, which means these three angles when added will give me 180 degrees. But at the same time, if I look at this angle here and this angle here, they are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are supposed to be equal. So if this is Z, this also has to be Z. Now I can say that X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. But at the same time, if you look at what I have underlined here, X is to Y is equal to 1 is to 2. In other words, when X is 1, Y is 2. 2 is double of 1, which automatically means Y is double of X. Since Y is double of X, I can say that Y is double of X. So keeping this in mind, this I'm getting it from the information here. So keeping this in mind, I have already said that X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. X I have already been given, okay? So I can prove and say that X plus Y. Now Y is same as 2X. So instead of Y, I substitute it with 2X plus Z. If I look at the question, Z is already given as 90 degrees. So here I can write this as, substitute and write it as 90 degrees. So that is supposed to give me 180 degrees. So which implies that 3X is equal to, X plus 2X is 3X. 180 plus 90, if you move it to the other side, becomes minus 90. 180 minus 90 will give me 90 degrees. Or I can say that X is equal to 30 degrees. Now, keeping in mind that X is equal to 30 degrees, there are two more questions to be answered. They are asking us, what is angle ROM? ROM. That is Y, and Y is 2X. We got the value of X to be 30, which means 2X will be equal to 60. So I can say angle ROM will be equal to 30 degrees. Sorry, 60 degrees. And angle POR, which is vertically opposite to X. So I can consider this angle to be X, and X I have already come and found the answer as 30 degrees. So the first answer ROM is 60 degrees, angle POR will be 30 degrees. I have done that in your exercise book. Another question. So another question here, that is question number 25, where we can see A, B, C, D and E, F are three lines intersecting at the same point. So we've got a figure here Of course, I have not written the different names of the points. However, I have shown the diagram. The three lines are crossing at this point here in the middle, and the value of x, y, and z are given to us. Now, when I look at this diagram, I can see that this angle here and this angle here, they are vertically opposite angles. So I can consider this to be z, since they are supposed to be equal. And when I add all these three angles, since this is a straight line, these three angles will give me 180 degrees. So I can say that x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. Now our first question here is find x if y is equal to 45 and z is equal to 90. So I can say that x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. X I have to find out, y already given as 45 degrees, plus z is given as 90 degrees. So I get 180 degrees. So x will be equal to 180 degrees minus 90 and 45 is giving me 135. When it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 135 degrees. So x will be equal to 45 degrees. Now, the next sum, part 2 of that sum. It says, find A if x is equal to 3a, y is equal to 5a, and z is equal to 6x. Now, we've already said that when I add x plus y plus z in the diagram, I will get 180 degrees. Now, what is x? X is 3a plus, what is y? Y is 5x. Y is 5x plus z is given as 6x, which is equal to 180 degrees. But I cannot add a and x, so I have to convert that x into a. So I get 3a plus 5 times, what is x? X is 3a, so this is 5 into 3a plus, similarly, this becomes 6 into what is x? X is 3a. So that gives me 180 degrees. Now everything is in terms of a. So this is 3a plus 5 3s are 15a plus 6 3s are 18a will give me 180 degrees. So this is 3 plus 15 plus 18, that will give me 36a will give me 180 degrees, and a will be equal to 36 is on the left hand side. When I take it to the right hand side, it will go and divide, become 180 divided by 36. So a will be equal to 5 degrees.